This is Naimatul Jan. I'm from Borishal. I am a regular student of Search English Group and DSP Group. I know that today you know that in previous video I told that today I read a lot of posts from Search English Group, from the website of Search English Group, and I like all the posts written by Rajiv Ahmed sir, and that kind of post give me a lot of inspiration. Especially I would like to tell about a post. The topic was some advice from young people of 20 to 25 years old. Sir told that sir written some point like advice for us, especially who are in 20 to 25 years old. The point one is try to have a reading habit. Reading is a very powerful tool for any educated person. Read anything that you can find: book, websites, newspapers, and even Facebook posts. If you think that newspaper reading, if sir meant that if you think that reading newspaper is boring, then you can read magazines. If you think that if you feel bored to read magazine, you can read the post, read the writing from any website. We should make habit of reading if we want to be fluent speaker in English, or if we want to make confidence in ourselves about English language. The point 2 was that Sir has written that always try to enjoy your work. If you feel bored about something, then you can never shine in it. It means that what we are doing, we never if we feel bored when we are working or when we are studying, we won't survive. We won't be able to make ourselves regular on that work. As like, I will give an example. When I make product, I feel very sick. When I make product, it takes a lot of time, because I have to do that I have to make my product in the kitchen, and there is no fan. That's why I feel bad, but I want to enjoy my work. That's why I will watch cartoon. I watch animation movie. I watch Gopal Bhar cartoon. So I try to keep myself. I try to keep myself happy when I am working. So this is very important. Point number 3 that sir has written in the post of the website of Search English Group. There is nothing wrong in trying to improve your condition. Even be some selfish and look after your own benefit. However, do not hurt or harm others with your deeds. As a result, many people will like you. It means that suppose I am speaking in English for practicing. It's not perfect. I'm not telling with the correct grammar. I'm making a lot of mistake. So if someone make laugh of my practice, I never should be aggressive for their attitude, for their mistake or negative attitude. I will do my job. I will practice with my own way. One day, the people who made fun with me, they will be want to like me. So we never should aggressive with all kind of people. We have to do our own work with our own way. And the point number 4 Do not be afraid to dream. Believe in your dreams strongly. Do not expect others to praise you about it. Do not give up and try your best. Sooner or later, success will come. It means that suppose I want to be a freelancer. I want to be a freelancer. So I don't have PC or I don't have laptop or computer. So it means not that never I will be able to be a freelancer. Everything will be possible if I if I believe my dreams strongly. So so we never should give up. One day, inshallah, one day our dreams will become true. The point number 5: try to lead an honest life. It is true that in our society many people will consider you as weak or stupid, but believe in your heart. Honesty will bring satisfaction and happiness in life. Honest people, most of the time, honest people never can be rich or never can get success overnight, but honest people get mental satisfaction. If suppose I don't at present I don't have a lot of money, I can't go to shopping mall in every week. I can't enjoy my work. I can't eat, suppose I can't eat delicious food. But if we keep ourselves honest in difficult time, one day we will get the permanent success in our life. I believe so. And sir told us of that post. Point number 6 that sir has written for us: spend at least 10 minutes of time in doing something good for others or for the society. It will bring real happiness. Even if you like to take selfie and show off, still help others. It means that we have to do something good for our society or for human without benefit. We have to do something good for others. I think that it as an example, I would like to say that suppose you are helping a people and he or she is blind or anything, he or she is abnormal or anything else, then you are helping him or her. It will give a mental satisfaction to you. Point 7: do not bother about the persons who create problem for you. Do not try to take revenge or fight back. Just focus on your own development and you will outgrow and outshine them sooner or later. It means that if some people want to harm in our work, as like I am making a video with for my practice, and I don't afraid to practice, I don't afraid to make mistakes, because I know that I am not good in English. I'm not or suppose you uploaded a picture of yourself and the picture is not perfect. Most of the people give haha react on your picture. So would you use bad language with them who give haha react on or make fun to your of on your picture? No, it's we never should do that. We have to do if we are positive in our work, if we are honest, we have to run our work. We never should stop the good. We never should stop. So I think that if we want to if we want to take revenge, then it will waste. Maybe it will be waste of our time. So we all the 7 point sir has written for us, who especially who are in 20 to 25 years old. So thank you so much. We all of students of Rajiv Ahmed sir, we all should listen to our sir. The 7 point, all the sentence, each of sentence of the 7 point sir has written for us. Those are really important, and we should keep in our mind all the time. Allah Hafiz. Good night.